Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make a burger because springtime and summer approaching, nothing better than an outside barbecue, right? So we're going to make a burger, but we are not going to use any fancy ingredient. Au contraire, ma chère, we're going to use simple, everyday ingredients because that's how we roll. And in this case, we're going to use cabbage and corn. We're going to use corn. We have done something similar in the past in the shape of a nugget. Now, we're going to get either frozen or canned corns, and we're going to blend it either with water, vegetable broth, or milk. I mean, vegan milk. Unsweetened, you know the mantra, right? Unsweetened. And until it becomes smooth and almost lump-free, because corn is impossible, right? So I made a mistake here. I have put too much water. So if this happens to you, don't throw it away or add more corn. Instead, you can add it to a sauté pan, poppy drinking water as always. So, and then with a little bit of oil, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then you stir a little bit, it will thicken up because the water will evaporate, okay? And we're going to shred the cabbage as fine as you can. You can use a mandolin, but just shred the cabbage because we vegans, we don't want fingers involved. Okay, well, at least not in the recipe. So, and then you chop a little bit because remember, it's going to sort of emulate, not chicken because we don't need that, but you get my point. It's going to add some shreddy, if there is such a word, texture to it. So if it's too long, it's not gonna look or be nice because it's gonna be hanging every time you bite it. So chop it a little bit, like so. Right, so now we're going to saute the cabbage. It's going to give even more flavor and improve the texture, right? So in a saute pan, some olive oil or vegan butter, then the shredded cabbage. And then you add salt, pepper. You can also add some chicken rub if you want, or whatever kind of a spice or herb you want. I mean, be creative. But this is, like I say, this is the basic, okay? So from this point on, you can improve and add more the flavors, more textures. It's up to you. Either crushed garlic or garlic powder and onion powder. And now you saute it, stirring once in a while in a medium, over a medium-low heat until you see some color happening, but try not to burn it because burn food, it tastes bitter. So there's no salvaging, I keep saying that. So once it's golden brown, you see little bits and pieces of a brown golden color going on, then it's the time to combine everything together. Now you add the blended corn. We need to add some cornstarch because I want everything to bind, okay? And it doesn't get that extra soft texture because we're dealing with vegetables, right? So it can happen. So we add some cornstarch. Stir so it cooks down. So stir so it cooks through. Then we transfer to a bowl. And now we're going to add another ingredient that is going to add even more texture and it's going to bind everything together, which is a psyllium husk. And I said that it's that it's a simple everyday ingredients, but I promise you, you can find it online and it's not expensive, or at your health shop, you can find it. Nowadays it's pretty easy to find, all right? Now just make the shapes. And just add it to crushed cornflakes. Right, make sure it's unsweetened, okay? So, you know what else I forgot to mention? It's gluten-free. Oh wow, I haven't realized that up until this point. Yeah, it's gluten-free. So nice, isn't it? Now, we're going to use the air fryer, okay? Or you can use the oven, or you can use the stovetop, like pan sear it. However, for that to happen and we be successful, you need to put it a little bit in the fridge or in the freezer, okay? So it firms up and it doesn't disintegrate or get too soft while we're baking or shallow frying it, pan frying it, okay? If you would like to spray some cooking oil on it, by all means you can. And there you have it. Now, how simple is that? And I promise you, it's delicious. It's so delicious, it's so good. It's good, it's rich, it's healthy, and it's filling. And it's gluten-free, because why not, right? So let me know if you love outside barbecue. Make it and let me know how much you love it, okay? Recipe is going to be down here in the under the video and on my website. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.